Hello everyone. Long vowel U sound. Remember, the vowel U has two pronunciation. One is U and one another is U. One is U sound and another one is U sound. Okay, these are all the U sound. Unit, uniform, unicorn, argue, rescue. The U bar E, that is magic E. Okay, cute, tube, use, tune, cube. The next one is O sound. This is not magic E, this is O sound. Blue, clue, true, glue, sue. Okay, the next one is U sound. EW is U sound. N, U, new, U, few, D, U, do, W, E, U, view, Thr, Thr, U, threw. Okay, the last one is O sound. Proof, tooth, noodle, igloo, smooth. Okay, thank you.